Yo, what is going on? It's your boy Mike Lowy Trading Academy. We got some stuff to go over today. We had a beautiful trading session, honestly. It started off a little rocky with my puts that I entered with AMD, but we're going to go ahead and go over the watch list and then go into the trades of the day. So for the watch list, we had SPY above 670 to 672.5 or below 667 to 665.5. Above 670 went to 672.5, right? So you go and put your level there. You get above 670. All right, there's 670. Actually, 670 is even closer to being on point. Oh my gosh. There you go. All right, close enough. Right, so then price breaks above 670. We get this candle close. We get this retest. That's the entry. Take it to 672.5. Perfect. That was that was literally textbook. There was only one red candle, so there was one opportunity, two opportunities to add to your trade. I mean, that was gorgeous. And then Tesla below 412 to 406. So you go to Tesla. I had 411.89, but below 412 to 406. Boom. See, I just round up. So to 406. That was, dude, that was on the dot that I called that. What? That was on the money, dog. 406 right there. I said this at 8:01 a.m. Tesla below 412 to 406. Boom. 406 at what time? 9:25, an hour and a half later. That's crazy, bro. That's how freaking accurate. Oh, I love this. All right, QQQ, we got above 607 to 610. Did we get it? We got it. We ended up getting it. Obviously, this was rough. I had somebody that was in, actually. I told him he could sell at equal highs. There's nothing wrong with taking profits at 20%. I think he took profits here, so 607.5 to, almost a dollar move more he could have caught. But I'd rather have my people not be greedy, take the little, he was up 29%. If you have a small account, 29% is not going to seem like a lot. You have a bigger, as the numbers get bigger, 29% is a great return on investment. So there's no point to be greedy and try to hold for that full 610 if it's not looking good, right? And then AMD below 195. So this is where I went wrong today. AMD below 195. I got way too excited and I was just like, dude, we're going to break, right? So initially, I'm in right here. We broke pre-market lows. We retested. I'm in. And then we take it down. I'm adding. I'm adding. I mean, I went in pretty heavy, and then ended up stopping out right here, anyways. So then after I stopped out, then I switched to calls. I grabbed calls from 198.8 to 201, and then SPY. I grabbed calls from this about 669 to, well, no, I think I got it above 670. I got above 670. Let me see. Intraday trades, amazing sells, profits. Yeah, 673 calls. Oh, look at that. I got 186%, 154%, 11%. And then my two losses was SPY and AMD. So I took one loss on SPY. I actually grabbed puts in the beginning of the day. Let me go to the 5 minute. That would make more sense. There you go. This is my entry for calls. I tell you on the 5 minute. So I looked off. And then my puts, I actually added, right? I was on the 2 minute in the morning, so I got puts right here, and it broke through, and I stopped out real quick. So that's how that goes. So yeah, so we do this every day. So I mean, if you guys want to come in here, like my brother caught the video puts for uh 250 bucks. He caught the AMD puts I called out for 4 or 500. A girl made 300. This dude destroying it. Full TP gone. 100 bucks on the day. I mean, really, if you do 100 bucks a day, dude. I mean, it's like 30,000 a year. Or just like just be patient, be consistent with it. Don't be greedy with it. And we call it out all the time. And then if you go to my YouTube, right? I do live pre-market sessions every morning. So I literally come on here every morning and I talk about what I think is going to happen in the market. And 9 times out of 10, it usually happens. Like my whole watch list was just on point, as you guys saw. So the point of these videos and the point of this YouTube is to correlate with the Discord. And this is all free game. Like I'm showing you not only how to read the watch list, but how to execute the trades on the watch list to profit yourself without me calling it out. I may be looking at SPY, but you see Tesla broke below, so you could take Tesla. That's like I'm trying to create a community like that where people are on the watch list. So my watch list, bro, I'm telling you, I'll be smacking. And my watch list goes crazy. So like if I have other people in there, hey, Tesla broke this level that you said. Hey, QQQ broke above here, like you said. Hey, AMD just broke this key level. Hey, I'll pop to it too. Like let me check it out, you know. So there's the point of the Discord, point of the YouTube videos. Get in here, make some money. It's fun, guys. Let's go.